Fine water mist always bring people a sense of moisture and coolness in hot weather or dry air. How can you enjoy coolness and comfort conveniently and quickly? The Mistech Mini Mid-Pressure Misting System can perfectly solve this problem. The system has a simple structure, mainly consisting of 4 parts: control cabinet, power supply, water supply, and nozzles. How to install and connect the system after receiving it. There are 3 ports at the bottom of the control cabinet for connecting the power, water source, and nozzles respectively. The control cabinet is wall-mounted and can be installed on walls or columns. After installation, just connect the water pipes and turn on the power. The water inlet pipe can not only suck water automatically from a bucket, but also be directly connected to tap water, which is very convenient. Both the water inlet pipe and outlet pipe have a diameter of 8 mm. Will the droplets from the nozzles wet the surrounding area? If the spacing between nozzles is kept more than 50 centimeters, it will not wet the surroundings. How to operate the control cabinet. It can be intelligently controlled by remote control, touch, screen, and mobile app. The remote controller can start and stop the spraying. The touchscreen and mobile app support spraying start, stop, spraying time setting, control mode switching, and other functions. Will the control cabinet make loud noise when working? The operating noise of the control cabinet is no more than 70 decibels, equivalent to the volume of soft speaking. Will the nozzles get clogged easily? The system is equipped with a filter to effectively prevent clogging. However, nozzles are consumable parts. If clogging occurs repeatedly, it is recommended to replace the nozzle accessories. Above is the detailed introduction of the Mini Mid-Pressure Misting System. Place your order if you like it.